Once upon a time, there lived a woman who was loyal and devoted to her husband. She loved him deeply and served him faithfully, like a heavenly fairy serving King Indra himself. Whatever he wished, she obeyed with a kind heart. Never once did she let him fail in any task. One day, the woman and her husband went to make offerings to the monks. After their good deed, she knelt in prayer and made a wish. In the next life, may my beloved husband be reborn as my brother. But if fate decrees that we are to be born as cruel or selfish beings, may we share the same body with 2 heads and 2 legs, so that we may learn the lesson of unity. Time passed, and when their lives came to an end, her wish came true in a strange and wondrous way. The husband was reborn as a golden swan with 2 heads, 4 wings, and 4 legs, a creature of breathtaking beauty, shining brighter than any bird in the forest. The 2 heads shared one heart and lived in harmony, never quarreling, always flying side by side to find food. All the animals admired them and called the 2-headed swan the king of the forest. But peace and beauty often attract envy. Among the animals lived a cunning wolf who grew jealous of the swan's glory. One day, the wolf approached one of the swan's heads and whispered slyly,
"Dear brother, you are the true ruler of this forest. Everyone
You
says
are the wiser and more beautiful head. Why should a great creature like you share your body with another ruler?" The wolf's words were like poison. The next day, the wolf went to the other head and whispered,
"Brother, I have heard others say that your other head calls itself the king and looks down upon you. Will you let that happen?"
Soon, doubt entered the hearts of both swan heads. The 2 began to quarrel, each believing the other wished to rule alone. Their harmony was lost. In anger, they fought, pecked, and struck one another with their wings, forgetting that they shared the same body. At last, their fighting led to their own destruction, and both perished together. Moral: true strength is not in beauty nor power, but in unity, understanding, and love.